Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome if you are new. In today's video, I cannot wait to share with you 6 DIY Dollar Tree Christmas decor crafts. And these are going to have kind of a fun peppermint Candyland theme. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to share this with you guys. So this is episode 34 in my huge I Love Christmas series. We are totally jamming out on Christmas crafting and baking and decorating on my channel. So if you guys need to catch up on any of the other I Love Christmas episodes, I'm going to link the huge I Love Christmas playlist down below, so go check that out after you're done watching this video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to crafting and decorating, plugging your glue guns, get out your glitter and paint, and let's get to crafting. So for the first DIY, we're going to make these super adorable cupcake ornaments. You're just going to need some cupcake liners and some ornaments. These were just leftovers from my Christmas tree decorating. And I went ahead and added some hot glue to the base of the ornament and then in and around the side of the ornament just for good measure. And this is how it should look after you're done with that. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some puffy paint. I just started underneath where the top part of the ornament hook was, and I just kind of swirled it in and around the top part of the cupcake. You could go as far down or stay as close to the top as you want. I went ahead and went all the way up the top to where the little hanger was. And this is going to be my frosting for my cute little Christmas ornament cupcake. And then I'm going to go in with some glitter. This is just some white glitter. They sell this at Walmart. It's an extra fine glitter, which I think is really nice for cupcakes. And then I'm using some of my daughter's little tiny beads. She doesn't actually really use these tiny ones. And I'm going to add those to the puffy paint while it's still wet. If you wanted them to stay a little bit more secure, you may need to add some Mod Podge. And then I'm just going to add with this little Dollar Tree poofy pom-poms to the top for my cherry. You could also add a little berry that you might clip off of some of your Christmas decor. And here it is. So for these ornaments, I needed to create them for my Candyland Christmas tree. I'm going to be sharing with you guys later in the week. So I went ahead and made several of these. They're so fun and easy to make. You could even do this with kids probably if you used a shatterproof ornament and you help them with the hot glue. So just go ahead and glue that ornament to the base and then in and around the cupcake holder to really get that cupcake liner to stay really well. And then go to town with that puffy paint. And let me tell you, this does not have to be perfect because I know when I frost a cupcake, it definitely does not look perfect. Also, when you're adding the puffy paint, it can kind of tend to slide down the side of your ornament just a little bit if you get too big of globs. I did have that happen on one of mine. And you guys get creative with your sprinkles and your sparkles and really have fun with this. Also, I did find these cute Christmas cupcake liners at Walmart. They're 98 cents for one pack of them, or you can buy the multi-pack. I believe it's about $2 and it has a bunch in them. So here they are looking fun and fabulous for my little candy cane theme that I have going on in my Christmas crafting studio. I also did this theme in my kitchen, super fun with all these little peppermint ornaments. I did find the peppermint ornaments at the Goodwill. Mr. Romantic and I went Black Friday shopping, so we picked up some little goodies as well as the little bowls, but they're looking so fabulous on my cute little silver Dollar Tree tray. Oh my goodness, just totally crushing on these. So for the next DIY, we're going to take some little plates. You can find these at Dollar Tree, Walmart, and some of this little Dollar Tree straws. They're in the party section, and you're just going to take a solo cup and you're going to trace a round circle. And I'm going to do 2 of these, and these are just little paper plates that I found in the party section. So I'm going to go ahead and cut out 2 that are the same size, and then I'm going to use my party straw, and I'm just going to hot glue glue the party straw on one side of the cardboard and then on the other side. That's going to make my little sucker. And then I'm going to take some of these treat sacks. They have all different styles of treat sacks, but because I am doing a peppermint candy cane theme, I went ahead and went with these peppermint treat sacks. I believe they were 98 cents at Walmart, but you guys could get treat sacks at Dollar Tree as well. And then I'm just going to take a little twist tie and twist tie the base of this. And this is the fun part where you can get creative and add some bows. I also wanted to go ahead and take some double-sided sticky tape to kind of stick down the little floppy ears on the top part of my sucker. And of course, this part is definitely optional. So once you have your little sucker all ready with the little ends popped over, you can go ahead and add some goodies. I just use this curling ribbon that you use for presents, and I'm just twisting that around. I added some little pom-poms to the center of this, and I plan on using this on my Candyland Christmas tree. I thought they were so fun, and when you're using treat sacks and just some little cut up cardboard or paper plates, you can really make a lot of these. So for the next DIY, we're going to make a sparkling oversized cupcake ornament. Now I did find this little party favor in the section at Walmart that had party supplies. So it was 98 cents. And then I'm just going to take some Mod Podge and I'm going to kind of dab my glue off a little bit. I don't want it to be super heavy because this is a tissue paper cupcake. And then I'm just going to go ahead and Mod Podge the top of this so I can add some pretty little glitter to just kind of give it that extra sparkle and shine. My daughter did have her birthday on Thanksgiving, so any of you guys with a holiday birthday, this is a fun thing to add maybe to that holiday table. These cute little cupcake ornaments. And then I just did go ahead and hot glue the ornament hook to the top because again, I am going to be popping this into my tree. But how cute is this for this large ornament? And it's a great filler too if you're doing a Candyland Christmas theme and you need a bunch of filler ornaments. So here it is popped in to this little Candyland kind of theme I have going on this table. Again, this would be great for a Christmas birthday. So for the next DIY, I'm going to take a treat bag and I'm going to cut it into 4 rectangles. And I want to make little miniature treat bags as ornaments for my tree. So again, this is a candy striped treat bag. I believe I did get this at Walmart for 47 cents. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut it again. So I'm going to cut it into 4s to really get the maximum out of this. And then I'm going to go ahead and hot glue the end of it and then the side. I do want to stuff it with a tiny bit of stuffing to kind of make it poofy out like it has a little present inside. So I'm just going to cut up this plastic bag, repurpose and reuse, you guys. And then I'm going to pop it in here to create my little miniature treat bag. I'm going to pinch it back together, fold it over, and then add a hot dab of hot glue to the top part. I'm not worried about the top part of this edge because again, I am going to add this cute little doily. Dollar Tree has doilies. They have big packs of them. You can also get them at Walmart or your craft stores, wherever you're out shopping about. And so I am just going to go ahead and hot glue the doily to the front. Again, I cut the doily in half because I want to make it go a little bit longer. And then I'm going to fold it over on the back. So this is the front and then this is the back. And I'm just going to fold that extra piece over on the back. So it makes this cute little personalized little gift. You guys could even personalize this with a picture of your loved one or maybe even their initial on here. And then I'm just going to add some little string for the top hanger of this. Now for this one, I did decide to go ahead and add one of those little Dollar Tree stockings to the front of this. These are so adorable. They came in a DIY pack of 10. Dollar Tree is really killing it on their craft supplies this year. Comment and let me know if you guys have found some really fun new things this year. And for this one, I decided to add just a little peppermint goodie. Again, I did get these at Hobby Lobby. They came in a pack of 10 and they were only about $2. So they went a really long way for those little peppermint little drops there. And I added it into this Christmas tree. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to give you guys a big reveal on this Christmas tree. It is going to be so fun and fabulous. So for the next DIY, I'm just going to take these little ornaments that I found at the Target Dollar Spot. They were 20 ornament they're little gift tags. That's what I'm trying to say. And I'm going to hot glue them to this wooden piece. You could also use cardboard, but I had this wooden piece left over for one of my daughter's school projects. So I'm just hot gluing the little gift tag to the front of the wooden piece to give it some more stability. And then I'm adding these cute little pictures of my brother's kiddos, my little nieces, Karis and Bethany. I'm popping them on here. These are baby pictures. They were actually from a family calendar. I love to repurpose and reuse those family calendars. So I just wanted to make these sweet little ornaments for them. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them or if I'm going to surprise them with them. These are baby pictures of them, so I'm not sure what they would think because they're super grown up yet, but I just thought they would be super adorable. And then I added just these little strings to the top, and I thought this candy cane a little ornament gift tag was just perfect to go along with this tree. I'm actually going to make some more with my kiddos on there. I even made one for my daughter to take into her classroom. They needed a baby picture of her in her classroom. So here it is popped into the Christmas tree. Oh my goodness, so sweet. And then Kara's sleeping, how beautiful and precious, just our little angel. She's so adorable. And then Bethany was playing, I think she was at the corn maze and she was playing in some corn for that picture. So cute and precious. Easy little gift idea for you guys too, for grandparents or teachers or parents. I think this is a fun one. So for the next DIY, this is so simple. You're just going to take some candy canes and you're going to tie some of that wrapping curling ribbon around the top of this. I had to give you guys a really easy one. What I love about this, though, is when you have kiddos that come over to your house, you can tell them that they can pick a candy cane ornament off of your tree. So you just hot glue a little pom-pom or a little goodie to the center of that. You can also use some of that Dollar Tree candy cane ribbon. I'm on my last strand of this. I wish I would have bought more because they're completely sold out, but Dollar Tree did have this really cute candy cane ribbon. Comment and let me know if you guys have found it. So I'm just going to add that to the front of this again, and then add a little pom-pom. So sweet, so adorable. And the kiddos are going to love this because they can shop your tree. I think that's a little fun idea. I used to do that with my kiddos when they were little. Now I'm not sure that they're as into candy canes, but I bet my nieces and nephews may love them. Here they are popped into this little display and setting. And as always, I have to ask you guys, what was your favorite DIY crafting project in this video? Comment and let me know. Will you guys be trying any of these? I couldn't believe how fun and easy the little cupcakes were. Honestly, these are definitely a winner chicken dinner, you guys. This was so fun and easy to make, and it's such a great way to repurpose and reuse ornaments that you have left over. So when you're decorating for Christmas and you have all those little ornament balls that maybe didn't go with your style, or you had too many, or you could even use shatterproof ornaments. So I just thought that was such a fun little idea. Can't wait to reveal more of how this tree comes together coming up in a video very soon for you guys. So I also have another question for you guys. I have to ask you, are you still decorating for Christmas? I really want to know because I am still decorating for Christmas. I think it's been several months now that I've been decorating for Christmas, but it is so fun. It brings so much joy to my heart. I'm just doing like little things around my house. No real major decorating except for this last tree in my Christmas studio that I had picked up from the thrift store. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to share with you guys, and I was so excited to share these DIYs with you guys as well. To share a quick recap of some of the videos in my huge I Love Christmas series, we put up my Christmas tree in episode 1. In episode 2, I shared with you guys an amazing Dollar Tree haul, as well as transform some Dollar Tree Halloween and fall items into Christmas items, another haul, and then I shared with you guys how to transform everyday objects into beautiful ornaments. I did a lovely little candy cane DIY series, as well as took 6 different different candy cane theme wreaths and shared with you guys also this cute little elf transformation, a wonderful Dollar Tree centerpiece, and then I've also shared with you guys several different glam and pink Christmas ideas. Here was the rustic kind of farmhouse I shared with you guys. Here was the Dollar Tree garland that I shared with you guys, as well as how to decorate this beautiful Christmas tree using Dollar Tree ornaments. I combined everything for you, as well as some other wonderful DIYs I've shared along the way. So thank you all so much for joining me on another fun and fabulous crafting adventure. It is such a blessing and an honor to have you all here. I feel like crafting and decorating is so good for your heart and soul. I encourage you to keep up the good work and keep going for it with all of your crafty decor projects. If you guys want to share photos of what you're working on, tag me in the Olivia's Romantic Home Instagram and check out my little behind the scenes stories over on Instagram. I would love to have you follow me there. I also have an Olivia's Romantic Home Facebook group page. You guys just request to join. I'll approve your request and you guys can start posting pictures of your DIY projects and your home decor. We have the most fun little group over there and everybody is just so fabulous and kind to one another and encouraging. So I want to encourage you guys to keep up the good work. Your crafting and decorating doesn't have to be perfect. Just keep going for it, and every time you do a new project, it's going to improve, or you're going to learn something new, or it's going to be a happy little accident. So thank you guys again. This is Olivia's Romantic Home YouTube channel. I would love for you guys to subscribe to me here. Click the subscribe button. It's totally free. All of my social media is free. You'll click the little bell to update you every time I post a new video. So thank you guys again. I want to wish you a beautiful, blessed day. I have so many more fun crafty decor projects coming up, and I also want to let you know I have a huge surprise for my After Christmas series. It is going to be so fun and fabulous as well. I want to give you a big giant hug and encourage you to be kind to yourself, be kind to one another. Until the next video, we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.